Here we are seeing now 7th standard decimal chapter recap exercises. In the last video we have seen up to 7 sums, addition and subtraction of the decimals. Now we are going to see the remaining sums of the decimal chapter recap exercises in this video. Okay, now I am going to start with converting into like decimal. This is 8th sum from recap exercise of decimal chapter. Okay, so how do we convert these numbers into like decimals? Here we can see that the question is 7.5, 6.25, 3.751. In the like decimal, we need to have the same number of digits after the decimal point. Okay, here the highest number of digit after the decimal point is 3. So we need to change all the numbers to have 3 digits after the decimal point in order to make into a like decimal. We can add 0 and we should make sure that the value of the number is not changed. Okay, so 7.5, how can we convert it into like decimal? We can write it as 7.500, 6.250, 3.751. Now all the three are in like decimals. We are going to see the second sum now. Okay, so now the second one, 0.66, 7.001 and 10.5. In this second sum, here also we have the highest number of digit after the decimal is 3. Okay, so now we need to change all the numbers to have the same 3 digits to make it as a like decimal. First one is 0.660, 7.001, 10.500. Now all the three numbers are like decimals, having the same number of digit after the decimal point. Now we are going to see the third sum, C. (18.9, 16, 15.577). Okay, we have 3 digits after the decimal point, so we can write it as 18.900, 16.000, 15.577. Now we are going to see the last sum in the 8th. D. The question is 12, 17.55, 10.995. Here also we have 3 digits after the decimal point, so we can write the number as 12.000, 17.550, 10.995. Okay, now the 8th sum converting into like decimal is completed. We can do the 9th sum converting into unlike decimals. Okay, here we need to change the like decimals into unlike decimals. This is just the reciprocal of this sum. Okay, here in the ninth one, unlike decimal, we need to just remove the zeros at the end in order to make the decimal to like unlike decimals. Okay, now we are going to do the 9th sum. converting into unlike decimal. First sum, 7.680, 9.290, 3.500. Therefore, unlike decimals are 7.68, 9.29, 3.5. Okay, we can just remove 0 from the last. We can remove the 0 which is the last decimal, so that the value of the number is not changed, and now these numbers are converted into unlike decimal. Okay, now we can do this B sum. $12.300, 12.000, 1.008. Okay, now first, in the first number we can remove the 2 zeros, so that we can write it as 12.3, 12, 1.008. Okay, now they are in unlike decimal pattern. Now we are going to see the C sum. C, 5.37, 2.20, 0.80. So the first one can be written as 5.37. Okay, we cannot change it. Second one can be written as 2.2, and the last one can be written as 0.80. This is the third sum. Now we are going to see the last one, D. D, 0.159, 15.700, 0.001. Now in order to change these numbers into unlike decimal, first can be written as 0.159, 15.7, 0.001. Now the ninth sum converting into unlike decimal is completed. We are going to do the 10th one. The 10th sum is like a problem sum. Arvind bought 4 kg 350 gram of potatoes, 250 gram of chilies, and 17 kilogram 50 gram of wheat. Find the total weight. So first one, Arvind bought 4 kg and 350 gram of potatoes. So potatoes weight is 4 kg and 350 gram. He bought chilies for 250 gram, and then wheat equal to 17 kilogram and 50 gram. Find the total weight. We need to find the total weight, totally how much kilograms he have bought. Okay, we need to add all the three values over here to find the total weight. Therefore, the total weight equal to, we need to add, so 4 kg and 350 gram of potato can be written as 4.35 0.50. Chilies can be written as 0.250 and wheat can be written as 17.50 grams. So we need to write 50 gram as 0.50. To find the total weight, we need to add all the values. Okay, so 0, 5, 10, 15, 1, 6.11 and over here 2. Therefore, the total weight is 21 gram. Therefore, total weight is 21 kilogram 650 grams. Totally, we have brought 21 kilogram and 650 gram of vegetables. Okay. Now we have completed the recap exercises of the 4th chapter decimal. We will see the remaining 4.1 sums. We will start with the 4.1 sum in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.